Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. I'm your Viprajesh again, and in this video I would like to talk about the upcoming Jeep Grand Compass 7-seater. The Jeep Compass 7-seater version will be an extension of the upcoming Jeep Compass facelift. According to new reports, the Jeep Compass 7-seater or the Grand Compass will look different from the Jeep Compass 5-seater from the B-pillar onwards. It will have a larger rear quarter glass so that the third row passengers can have a proper view outside. The Jeep Grand Compass 7-seater SUV will also feature the very same exterior and interior changes which are expected to be seen on the upcoming Jeep Compass 5-seater facelift. Both these SUVs are expected to receive sleeker set of headlamps with LED TRLs, new design LED fog lamps, along with redesigned front and rear bumpers. Both the 5-seater and 7-seater Jeep Compass are expected to be available with new design 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels. On the inside, both these SUVs are expected to offer slightly redesigned interior with the latest 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen system with the latest connected car technology. The Jeep Grand Compass is expected to carry forward the very same feature list seen on the 5-seater Jeep Compass, which includes a massive panoramic sunroof, dual zone climate control, a power driver's seat with memory functions, leather upholstery, cruise control, auto headlamps, auto wipers, all-wheel disc brakes, 6 airbags, traction control, and off-road ABS. The Jeep Grand Compass is expected to be available with the 1.3-litre Firefly turbocharged petrol engine, which can produce up to 180 PS of maximum power through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Meanwhile, the 2-litre multi-jet turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel engine is expected to be carried forward from the 5-seater Jeep Compass. This engine could produce up to 173 PS of power and a torque figure of up to 350 Newton meters through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 9-speed torque converter automatic transmission. A 4-wheel drive system is expected to be provided as an option on the manual transmission variants, while the diesel automatic variants are expected to receive 4-wheel drive system as standard. The Jeep Grand Compass 7-seater SUV will be arriving in India by the second half of 2021 and will compete against the likes of the Tata Gravitas, the next generation Mahindra XUV 500, and the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace 7-seater. So that was all about the upcoming Jeep Compass 7-seater version. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about the 7-seater version of the Jeep Compass SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, click the like buttons and give your comments.